Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining. If you're new, like, share, subscribe. Click on the notification bell.
Right down there.
This is my cousin Sasha. Today we will be doing the chopsticks challenge. The first we're gonna eat with chopsticks, and God knows, I don't know how I'm gonna take up the food out of the plate, but because I love food, some way it'll come out.
Look here, I love my belly. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I don't know how this is gonna go. So, but I try it still, I try it still.
I try to hold it like I'm so people hold it.
I don't know how it's gonna work, but come, let's get into the food. That's really interesting.
We buy Chinese food from a store, from a restaurant in Spain.
Yeah. Look, we don't really keep track of people and them doing all the excitement. So,
guys, you see, I crave for people to them something there now.
no, but the people them feel like we crave like 4, oh, I know 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 spoon. No, them serious. Alright, 5. Go ahead.
No, but the way you tear the bag, like, you know me, I've got them in it.
You can't bother to take time. So
Guys, I got pork. I don't even love pork. Really? Alright, that's what them hold it.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Rain, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
I don't like this.
What? Oh, that.
What's the challenge?
The loser.
That is you. Yeah.
You're bright. Hey, Osho.
The
loser
really
is. Alright, top it nice. Alright, the person that loses basically top out, and the person that wins finish eat.
No, and so the person will lose or the person will top out lose. Cause like if me just get irritated and say, hey, fuck this, not bother eat no more, I'm tap out basically. But who don't tap out or don't lose win, something like that.
And who will eat and don't eat the food first. No, you could have said it better.
You know me not have no better way of saying it. So.
Guys, the person who finish first wins. The person who tap out loses, okay?
Yeah, something like that, sorry.
No, sir.
So we are going to just eat and go in a conversation, you know?
Sure. Just have to cover one more time. I don't want nobody see that.
We're ready for eat now?
No. You said that losing thing, I'm going to panic today. No?
Okay, but I'm them. Oh God. But can't use my 2 on them, right? They're ready then. I'm ready long time. Watch out.
Oh no, you try unfold that teeth like.
Oh, you're awful, so.
You see like how this like give me a problem already. I'm gonna reach on it.
Are you ready? Alright, ready.
Wait, now I'm coming and know how you twist or something there. Watch out.
I don't even tell you that. Ready. So well, let's use it. Look at well.
I don't see you.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Well, it's time to try this or when time you're hungry. Right now? What if you use it too and that teeth? That teeth. No.
Guys, look at this big bite.
And that. So I can see when I use my foot and kick your head in it. I love it all.
some more meat now.
You get more meat now, you know?
Yeah, we can have like this.
Can't get no like that.
Guys, we're doing mukbang.
But if you ever win me today, fight.
You're pretty bad. So do you have any story to share with people in Malawi?
How may I eat? I can't see me like it.
Guys are really long. Yeah, you know what she said?
I'm going to pay attention to me eat. Because one time,
You nearly choke.
take fast for me a prayer man. And then teeth up with some meat. Do that again. If you talk, me don't want to talk and blink.
You know I watch my food too much.
It's supposed to make me hungry when I watch it back.
Guys, like, share, and subscribe.
So wait, we don't eat the raw meat, or we don't eat everything.
Everything.
It's alright.
Yeah, cheat. I go, yeah, cheat.
I'm not cheating.
Yeah, you love slap my hand when your sister me put too much food down.
I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating.
Team Bell, of course. And I don't vote, no, on a fair time. When I have time for winning now, guys.
Lie not tell. Of course I team Sasha.
Team Bell. When I start eating tonight, guys, I'm sharing out my drinks. She poured fear one already, and we did have to go for some juice. Cause you saw me drink like water, Lord God. It was like it was at my throat trying to go down, but the saliva alone, it couldn't leave. Just couldn't leave. So I'm back at it again. Vote for me because I'll be winning.
Hey! Coronavirus!
Joe.
Joe, you call it. Ready again?
I chew my heart today.
Today, anytime I hot, I'll come back. Ready? Yes!
I got these. I got these.
For you.
Good, I'm going to see one time.
Got a winner.
Mm-mm.
That's not it.
For something that is not wrong with her. For something that is not
Well, what is it? Oh. Trying to butter for me. Time I feel like I can't go for a top.
Yeah, you feel over with fire. You feel over with fire.
Bunyi apa mipami? Kid.
Feel fire.
Thế là nó nhà nó đi tập nhiệt. Banyak kamu kan? Banyak kan? Ada demon cinnamon oat ring.
Jag gör så. Jag menar det är spelstund.
I won.
Ja.
I won. Me
Jag
win.
blev empty.
My plate empty too. And me eat out. Sit there, you know, don't eat any more.
Look.
Yeah, you're done. Looking at my one. see the food in your mouth. Be a winner. I won. Win board. See how you eat. Mind your family to the cousin? You go for me. Jesus Christ. See that? Win. Mind your family.
Not going to eat.
Not eat rest.
It's something make me want to vomit, man.
It's too sweet. I mean,
That's sweet, that's something that's too tough. Give me something to wipe off.
and something that's too tough for sure. You know, see, me stop eat this thing them. You try on that skin and...
Like, me did I force them to eat?
Me not eat. From taste and taste and tough, me not eat me. My granny not give me tough pork.
Let me just tell you. Let me cook everything soft. So guys, it was a close one. It was close, but she won. I couldn't swallow that, guys. If you see me nearly vomit one at a time, then I couldn't do it. So me in that plate.
Yay! So of course Team Sasha win. I don't know how she come up, but she
No team Sasha, no deal. When we win, we take that. We have pride, same way.
You're lucky me win. I'm gonna tell you. Let me say this.
Guys, she only win because she get a little bit less food, you know?
She will stop it because she feed me before me eat this. So she should have win. She should have win.
Remember, say my belly no big like for you. When I eat as much as you.
Well, now you want to come challenge me. But you know the chopsticks weren't that bad. Weren't. Oh yeah, though. The bottles. Come. The chopsticks weren't all that bad. For real. Come on, see. Chopsticks them never all that bad for real though. But then they make me want to show them the one at a time and use the nails.
So guys, do like, even though I've lost just by an inch. Like,
last by an inch or second or something.
Move, excuse.
Yeah, so tell the subscriber them say for like and share, and who don't subscribe yet, click on the bell down there, so touch the subscribe something. Yes, so you can say it nice way. Hey guys, so remember to like, subscribe, and share.
And watch any of the videos you haven't watched. Yes.
Thank you all for viewing. We appreciate it so much. Yeah.